The qswiper. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the qswiper, a cleaning system for your barbecue grills. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. The qswiper cleaning kit comes with 25 wipes and the cleaning brush. You can also purchase them separately. This kit can clean away the dirt, grease, and grime, which can make it a lot healthier when cooking. It can be a good alternative to steel wire bristle brushes, which can pose some risk of it getting into your food. This is perfect for the home and also in public picnic grills, which really don't get cleaned. The cleaning wipes are food contact safe and will get all the grease and grime away. The kit comes with 25 wipes. They are also available in a 40 count as well. The brush is simple and is constructed of plastic and stainless steel. It has a scraper on the front to clean the grill grates as well as scrape away burnt on residue. The side is angled to better scrape the grill grates. On the top, you have 4 rubber inserts where the cleaning wipes will attach. The bottom has a solid scrub pad where the wipes will wrap around. Let's see how it does on the grill. This is to be used on a cool grill. Do not use on a hot or open flame. I have a grill that I haven't cleaned yet, so you can see. I will start off by cleaning one side and removing the burnt residue with the scraper first. The angled scraper on the side works well in cleaning each grill grate. Once you have the heavy residue off, install the cleaning wipes. Just push each corner inside the rubber inserts to keep it into place. Then, just scrub away. Wow, look at all the grease and grime. It's definitely a lot cleaner. I will go ahead and work on it some more and do the other side as well. Now both sides are clean. No residue or grime on the grill. You can see the 2 wipes that I used and the amount of grease and grime it was able to absorb. So this is how the grill looked before the qswiper and after the qswiper. What a difference. The qswiper, an inexpensive cleaning system for your barbecue grills. I was impressed at how it got the grill clean with minimal effort. I didn't realize all the grease and grime that accumulated on the grill. The pads absorb the grease and grime very well. This will make your grilling experience better and healthier. If you love to grill, this is definitely worth a look. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.